Hello, my name is Kent Cawthorn. I'm the GM for Bettear for the Americas. Happy to have you here at InfoComm 2026. I'm very excited to talk to you about what Bettear brings to the market. We are more than just an assisted listening company. We bring better audio to individuals with any hearing device that's Auracast capable. I want to point out our RTX unit. These are transmitter receivers combined. You can do either with these devices. They also have an SD card in them so you can store audio files. Great for touring, self-tours, guided tours. Also great in a classroom. It's got a USB-C output, so you can connect this directly to a laptop, and you can record a lecture right on your computer. That's a direct feed from the audio from the presenter. It's not like a listening device that allows you to hear the speakers. You're actually hearing the presenter. So any ambient noise that may be around the person sitting in the classroom is undetected. Much more accurate. This device comes in 3 different colors, so you can separate the receivers from the transmitters and have it in your choice in your facility. I want to thank you for coming to InfoComm 2026. I hope you stop by our booth. It's C8267. We'd love to see you here, show you more about what we do, and show you about how all our products work in one ecosystem and bring better listening to everybody, including the hearing impaired, but everybody in an application can hear everything better. Thanks for coming. See you soon.